Hey guys, I'm Antoine Gray with AntoineBuysHouses.com, and today is Real Estate Tip Tuesdays. What's the topic for today? Well, the tip or topic today is about pre-foreclosures. And with millions of homes across the country going into foreclosure, it's important for both the buyer and the mortgage holders to understand this process. Yes, we have foreclosure, but there's also something called pre-foreclosure. And it's important, very important that you understand the process because number one, it affects your credit score, and it could be the most important thing as far as whether you stay in your house, whether you foreclose on, or whether the bank will even speak and try to work things out with you. How do you get this information? Well, number one, you can click on the link at the top, and that'll take you to my blog for this free information, or you can check out the description. There may be a link in the description, depending on the social media platform that you are watching this video on. Please share, like. Antoine buys houses. That's me. I buy houses. Are you behind in payments? Are you going through a divorce? Downsizing. Maybe you have an unwanted inheritance. Are you relocating? Are you a tired landlord? Well, I provide a fast, no hassle, simple process. You can visit my website for more information, AntoineBuysHouses.com, or listen to a free message 24 hours a day, 443-825-4900. I want to speak to you. Let's see if I can help you out.